discuss civics lesson unit first, problems of India and their solution. In last class, in previous class, I already explained what are the problems are faced by India, that is the unemployment, corruption, discrimination, communalism, status of humans, and terrorism and corporate status. These are the important problems of India. In previous class, already I explained the unemployment, meaning of unemployment and problems, what are the reasons and what are the measures should be taken by the government. And next I also explained the communalism and regionalism and what are the status of the humans in our country. These are explained in previous class. Today I want to discuss about the terrorism. What are the meaning of the terrorism? What is the main reason of the terrorism being increasing in our country, and what are the solution will be taken by the government to eradicate or stop the terrorism in our country? I want to discuss today class. Let us study about the terrorism or extremism. What is the meaning of the terrorism? It is also known as the extremism. What is the meaning of the extremism? It creates a panic condition of the society. So this terrorism, it is the major problem of the India, not only India, almost the world. They have facing a lot of problem of this terrorism. It is a method of the pushing pressure of the government. It is based on the political ideology and also for the religious faith. What is this political ideology? The intention of the terrorists to stop the good administration of that country and create a panic condition of that country. And also it is painful. Psychologically it should be creating panic and pain in the society. So terrorism is nothing but it is fulfilling the narrow and by creating panic and violence. The main intention of the terrorism, it create a violence condition in the society. So this terrorism is a major problem of the world and also for the India. It is creating the psychological pain and it is also creating negative culture and negative aspects in the society. How it creates negative aspects? The terrorism, the main intention only creating violence. They were attacking of the society in different places. The main region of that they were selecting for the terrorists, they were attacking almost in this society. It is when the people are gathering in public places, example for the railway station or bus stand or some other public places they were targeting. So it feeds on the fear of the people. This terrorism creates the fearness of the society and it is a fear of the people are creating some problems. The people are facing a lot of problems of the terrorism. It leads to a loss of the properties and the life. What is the result of the terrorism? It is a not good result. The result of the terrorism, it leads a loss of property and also for the life. So the terrorism is a major problem of our country. Okay, what is the method of the exertion of this terrorism? First of all, the target civilians, military base and specific community, religious, race, skin color. This first of all, this terrorism start for that the creating of the differences in this society. When the people are suffering some problems in the society, they want to become a terrorist. The major problem, it is also related one problem to another problem. Example, unemployment. The unemployment, it is also one problem. This unemployment is also creating another problem, that is the terrorism. Which people are have the good education, skill, technology, but they will not have a good job or employment opportunity. That persons want to become a terrorist because they want to lead a life. How? They want money. How they get money? They want to take some illegal activities or they want to create some fearness in the society and they want to get some money. So they want to involve in the terrorism activities. Sometimes it should be started in the base of the community, race, color and different ways. Sometimes some peoples, they were exploiting in the society. They were suffering a lot of problem in the exploitations of the higher classes or sometimes the political, and that persons also want to become a terrorist in later. So it is also creating in the society. And use the explosive, deadly gases work in the network of the intelligence. The terrorists, they were working very intelligently. Sometimes you know this one, they were using a different type of the gadgets, electronic gadgets and some gases. At now present condition, it is a biological war should be started. It is also one of the part of the terrorism. I think you know this one, the corona. These are also one of the creating terrorist activities only. So this type, the different intelligent method they were using to create some problems in the society. And that target of that terrorist, that is the airport, railway station, market, that is the public places they want to target. The main intention, they want to create some fear in the peoples, and it is also for the great pressure of the government. You know this one, when the terrorist activity started, it is the main problem, it will be goes to a government. How the government eradicate for the, how they will take the measures to control of the terrorist activities. It is a great pressure of the government. So this terrorist, the main intention to give some pressure to the government. So they were selecting some important public places because they want more violence, they want more destruction. So they want to target, the terrorists, they will target in airport, railway station and almost in the public places in the market, etc. They use a tactic like a suicide bombing and kidnapping. You know this one, a different type of the bombs they were using. I think you know this one, recently in India also, the Taj hotel attacking. It is also one of the activities of the terrorists. A different type of the activities there in the terrorist, bomb attacking, hijacking, kidnapping, and that is a suiciding bomb. These are also the different activities of the terrorists in our country. Next, which are the places already the terrorists are attacked in our country? The common places in India, it is commonly the terrorists are target for the places to attack. That is the Nagaland, Manipur, Kashmir and Punjab. I think you know this one, Kashmir. The Kashmir is the common problem of India and Pakistan. It is the border of India and Pakistan. Most of the terrorist activities are increasing in the borderline. Example of the India and Pakistan, India and China, India and Afghanistan. These are the some major border of our country. It is commonly the terrorist activities are going on. So Kashmir is the main target of the Pak. The most Pakistan terrorists, they were targeting only for the Kashmir. And Punjab was one of the region. It is commonly the terrorists are attacking. And attacking on Taj Hotel, I have told, in November 2007, it is a great violence of the terrorists. See, that is the Taj Hotel, the Mumbai. The many more people are died in the attack of the Taj Hotel. It is a great violent attack of the terrorists in our country. This type of the many more attack India is facing. And attack on the Parliament. The Parliament also is one of the great places of the targeting of the terrorists, because the main intention of the terrorists to attack of the that administrative centers. So the Parliament also the administrative centers of India. So the terrorists, they want to target in the administrative centers in Parliament. And Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru. What is Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru? The most important capital city of the India, also the most important target place of the terrorists. That is the Bengaluru. Bengaluru, it is the capital city of Karnataka. It is also one of the region the terrorists are commonly targeting. And Chennai also one of the important cities, and also Hyderabad. So these are the important places that terrorists are targeting. Commonly they were attacking in yearly 2-3 times, or commonly that regions are under the control of the terrorist activities. Next, these are some problems. How to control? It is not possible to control. Yes, it is some method is there, and how that state government and central government to take some measure to avoiding of the terrorist activities and reducing the restrictions of the terrorist activities. First of all, India always criticize the terrorists in other country. Each and every country of the world, they were opposing of the terrorists. But few countries in the world, they were encouraging example of the Pakistan. Some political leaders, they were encouraging the activities of the terrorism, their own profit. In Pakistan also, they were started some terrorist activities in the base of the race and religious. Only for their own religious, they want to express their own religious. They can't tolerance for the other religious. They started for some activities, that is the terrorist activities. But India, it is criticizing, and each and every day it is opposing of the terrorist activities in the country. So it always tries to protect property and the life of the ordinary people, because the terrorist activities create a panic condition, panic situation in the public. So that is this avoiding, how it should be avoiding, that government should be taken many protection method, should be a protecting of the life and properties of the common people in our country. They have to create special allied forces to tackling of the terrorist activities. The many more methods should be taken to avoiding of the terrorist activities. The government should be taken some allied forces to avoiding of the terrorist activities in our country. And most important, it is not only to take some measures, especially for the legal measures, cannot control the terrorist activities. Only it is possible when the people are become a moral and ethical knowledge, only reducing the terrorist activities. Example, India is a non-violence country. You know, we are learning in history for that Buddha, Mahavira, and all of them were explained, they were expressed only for the non-violence method and loving and peaceful relations with the others. But today it is opposite. But the main measures only when people are thinking about the non-violence and peaceful and loving, only it is avoiding the terrorist activities in the societies. So that is the some measures should be taken by the government. For this lesson, the last content, that is the corporate strategy. What is the meaning of the corporate strategy? It is the group of the administrative measures undertaken by the company. It achieves the more profit for the companies. The main target of that company, that is only for the own profit. But it is working with the government only. But government and private both are involving their own group. But it is major, that is the decision only for the private companies. So the group of the administrative measures taken by the company to achieve the mediate target, it is called the corporate strategy. What is this mediate? This company is working just like a mediator of the government. The government gives some permission for the company to establish their own corporate strategies in India, but the main intention of this company only for the higher profit. The companies are getting higher profit, and government also providing some permission to establish their own companies. But these are the major challenge of the 21st century. So it is creating many more problems in the society. Example, you know, the many more MNC companies. They were working, they were establishing own companies in India and different countries. They are showing they were achieving some globalization. They were increasing the globalization. But in return, it is getting more problems and creating more economical condition in our country should be very less, because the income goes to company only, and company getting more profit. In return, they were showing they were working more in that countries, and government also thinking that company should be working only in the favor of the people. But the reality, but companies are getting more profit. But you know, this is the administrative measures are undertaken by the company. It means companies are taking many more measures. They were taking some health orientation programs and some other to providing some of the nutrition food for the people and allocation of the poverty and many more programs they were showing. But reality only for the more want to give some training for the workers, and but in return they were reducing the workers in the company, because most of the companies they were working in robotic. It means they were using more technology and they were creating some problems for the unemployment in the society. So the corporate strategy they were showing, it is giving more advantage to the society, but reality it is only the creating many more problems in the society. The aims of that corporate strategy: maximum profit. The intention only one, that is the more and maximum profit of the company, and affected the people in society negatively, because India also it is not a developed country, it is a developing country. Most of the people are dependent upon the agriculture, and most of the Indian people they were in the below poverty line. But that profit goes to a private companies or corporate strategy, it means it is creating negativity in the society. So the corporate strategy is considered one of the problems of our country. Even influence the some decisions of the government. Sometimes the government are taking some decisions for the accepting of the new technology, or they were introducing the new technology or new programs in this society, and environment programs and different programs. But the reality it is only for the profit. So sometimes the government decisions also it is creating problems of the society. On opposite side, companies are employed to alleviate social problems: poverty, health, skill training, malnutrition. They were advertising, that corporate strategy advertising. We are reducing the poverty line, we are reducing the malnutrition problems, we are reducing the ill health of the society, we are providing some good health facilities, we are providing some training centers, we are providing some skillful technology skill to the workers. It is some program should be undertaken by the corporate strategy with the decisions of the government. But it is also creating some problems in the society. These are considered, it is the challenge of our country. All this executive thought, CSR, it means corporate social responsibility. These are one program should be taken by the corporate strategy. They were showing, they were advertising, they were taking many more programs in the society to eradication of the poverty and some other programs. But reality only that company should be taking more profit. So it is imbalancing of the national income and per capita income of that country. So it is considered one of the challenge or one of the problems of India. So this civics lesson I completed, that is the problems of India and the solution. So what are the solutions should be taken? So the people, they were joining for some companies, they were also have some problems. So the company, which new company will be started, the government should be avoiding for that type of the corporate strategy in the society, and they give the only for the importance of the Indian people or Indian companies, and that time only it is also reducing of the problems of the corporate strategy. So national income should be increasing when that corporate strategy involvement should be reducing, and government should be give the opportunity only for which company it is only for good for the society of India, that company only take the permission to start for the whole activities in the society, and that time only it is reducing of the problem. So for this lesson we are completing for this lesson what are the problems of India, what are the reason of that problems, and what are the measures should be taken by the government of central government and state government, and how the peoples also they will involve the so they were also taken some solution for this all the problems, and that time only it is should be avoiding the problems of our country. So this lesson is very important. In exam also we are the most important lesson, more than 4 to 5 marks is there in this lesson. Sometimes they were asking the form of question for this lesson. What is the corporate strategies? That is the some important. Or sometimes they were asking for the what is the terrorist activities and how it should be eradicated, or what are the measures should be taken by the government, or what is the meaning of unemployment, what are the reason of unemployment. It is a common question of this lesson. So Thank you, students. I completed this lesson. Next class I will send notes.